Do you want to create a professional looking website in 10 or 20 minutes or less? In this video, I will show you how you can create a professional looking website in few simple steps. It will be very simple and affordable for you. Anyone can create a website following the simple steps. You don't need to know how to code or how to manage a website. With WordPress, building a website is so simple, and with the drag and drop builder, you can customize each part of your website as per your need. So let's begin to create a brand new website. To start a website, you will need two things: a domain and hosting. Domain is the name of your website, and the hosting is the place where all your website files, images will be located. There are many web hosting companies out there, but I recommend Bluehost because Bluehost is super affordable and simple to use. To get up to 70% off on Bluehost, just scroll down to this video and click on the link on the description or on the pinned comment. You will redirect it to this special page where you can get special offers of Bluehost. You will get free domain for the first year and free SSL certificate and one-click WordPress installation. Also, you will get expert support just starting with $2 per month. Just scroll down a little bit and here you will see all the packages. There are 4 packages. You can start with the basic package. On the basic package, you can host up to 10 websites, 10 GB storage. You will get free domain on each package, and also you'll get the professional email, free trial, free SSL, free CDN, and so on. So let's start with the basic package. Select this package. Here you need to put a domain name that you will get for free. So type the domain name and search for this domain if the domain is available or not. Yes, this domain is available, and you can see the web hosting is only on $23 and the domain.com is free for the first year, and the total price is $23 for the first year. So this is super affordable. So let's check out. Now put your information, first name, last name, and the address. Now on the account information, put your password to log into Bluehost dashboard, and scroll down and choose a payment method and pay this invoice. After putting your card details or your PayPal account information, just click to the submit payment. So we have successfully purchased the domain and hosting. So this is the dashboard of Bluehost. Here you can see all the websites, and you can add up to 10 websites by clicking add site, and you can create emails, business emails under this domain, info@domain.com, and here you can see all the domains. All the hostings will be listed here. To log into the WordPress backend of your website, click here, edit site. So the first time when we create the website, the Bluehost is recommending some options. So guided website setup, or you can use this AI site creator. Let's continue with this AI creator. We can later change it. Put the name of your website. The AI builder generated 3 different website. You can choose one. Okay, I'm choosing the first one. Okay, so this is the preview of this website. We can just go to the back end and we can change everything. To create or change or edit the post, you can click here on the post, all post, create a new post. To create new pages, you can click here. First of all, we will go to the settings and to the permalink, change the permalink to post name. Now if you go to the appearance themes, from here you can change the theme of this website. To add a new theme, add new theme, click wordpress.org. So here you can see thousands of free themes here, almost 12,000 free themes here. You can choose any of the themes that matches your company or that matches with your brand. I'm installing this Astra theme. This is a multi-purpose theme. You can create any type of website using this Astra theme. So to install any theme, just click on the install button and click activate to activate this theme. So you can see the Astra theme is now activated. Now go to the plugins, all plugins. Plugins is like a features. If you want to add a new features to your website, you can add plugins. So there are some default plugins are already installed by the Bluehost. So I will add a new plugin. Click add new plugin, and here write starter template. Install this starter template. Now we will upload a template to our website, a demo template, and then we will customize the template according to our need. So let's continue with this classic starter templates, and from the top right change this to Elementor. Now you can see there are many templates here. You can choose any template according to your needs. So here is some categories also. You can sort this template using the categories. So I will continue with this template, organic store. Click on the template and you can preview the website from here, and from the left you can add logo. You can change the text font from here. You can see the font is changing, and then from here you can change the color profile. Then just click continue. You can add some features like donation. You can add automations. You can add sales funnels features. You can add live chat option features also, and choose any of the features that you need and then continue. In few minutes your website will be ready. The demo content has been uploaded to your website, and you can visit the website now. So this is the website, how it looks like. To edit this design, click on the edit with Elementor. This is a drag and drop editor. You can edit this image and text by dragging and dropping. Okay, to change the text, just double click on the text, and on the left you can change the text from here, and also you can also directly write here. This is totally drag and drop, and you can change this heading text also by click here. You can change from here, and also you can change this directly here. And to change the image, click on the image. On the left you can see you can choose image from here. Just click here and select a new image from your computer, or you can get image from this free image option. Choose a image and add it. So this image added here. Then step by step change everything, every part of this website by dragging and dropping. And also you can add new section. To add a new section, you can click here, add an element. Here there are many elements you can add. If you want to add video, you can just drag this video and just drop here. Choose the video file. From here you can put the YouTube link, or you can directly upload the video. Also you can add images, then you can add Google Maps icons. If you buy the Elementor Pro package, you can also get these features, and here you can also have some other features. So there are many design elements that you can add to your website and make your website more enriched. After changing everything, don't forget to click publish. To customize the global settings, click on the customize button on the top. To change the typography, click on the typography, and you can change the whole website's typography from here. Then you can change the colors profiles of the whole website. To change the header, this header, you can click here. To change the logo, just click here, remove the logo and change it, or you can also directly click here to change the logo. There are many other things that you can change. Footer builder, you can change the footer also, add new widget, or change this image text. After customizing the website, click publish. So this is how you can create a brand new professional website within just few minutes. If you want to create a website with us, we will help you to set up website, your domain and host. Just scroll down to this video and click on this link. Get a free website setup service and fill up your information and get a free setup from us. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel to get more videos like this for free.